Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kat. Today I have a Sephora Play unboxing for you guys. This is the November edition and the theme on it is Feel the Love. So this is the little bag that you get, so cute little design on it, and then you get your play book, which has on the inside all the products you got. I'm not looking at it because I want to be surprised, and excuse me, fire department, I am filming a video, but just joking, guys. Yeah, apparently something's going on outside. I do live in Brooklyn, so this is the norm. Fire engines and police sirens going off at all hours of the night. Not that much anymore, but Brooklyn is a hell of a lot safer than it used to be. But yeah, that's not for this video. So Sephora Play is $10 a month. It's a monthly subscription box. You get it through Sephora. They usually send it out like the third week of every month, and you get 5 sample products and 1 bonus product, which is usually a perfume, and every once in a while they'll throw in a shampoo and hair treatment or conditioner or something like that. And then you also get this $50 play pass, which you bring into stores, and when you make a purchase you just give it to the cash register and you get an extra 50 points on your Sephora account. So let's I haven't looked into the bag. I don't know what's in here, so I'm just gonna grab and pull things out. I'm gonna try and find the perfume sample first. And the sample is Chloe Eau du Parfum. So, I've gotten this as a sample before from Sephora, or I think they've sent it to me in the box, and what does it say? A sublime, powdery rose, feminine, natural, chic, sexy. So let's see if I like it. Okay. It's okay. It's not that rosy. It has a nice kind of fresh smell, so it's not that bad. I would wear it. Okay, the next thing I feel a box, and this is the Sephora Rouge Matte lipstick in the color M11 Rebel Chic. It looks like it is a vampy red matte color. And like I said, these lipstick samples, these last a while, so these are a pretty good deal when you get these lipstick samples. Okay, that's pretty. That's vampy kind of burgundy-ish red color, I guess I would call that. That's pretty. I would wear that. Alright, let's see what the next thing is. This is the Belief Moisture Eye Bomb. Okay, I like the Belief Moisture Balm Cream. That's pretty good. I got that in another Sephora Play box, so very interested in trying that out. Okay, the next thing I feel another box, and this is a NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the color Let's Go Crazy. I own one NARS Velvet Lip Pencil. It's in the color La Dolce Vita, I think. And this is what the color looks like. It looks kind of like a fuchsia-y kind of color, maybe? Yeah, a fuchsia matte kind of color. It's very pretty. So that's what it looks like. So it's kind of like the brighter version of that Sephora color. The next thing is from Mercier, and it is Rose Gold Caviar Stick Eye Color. Okay, so I have one of these in like a matte brown color and I use it as a base. Oh, that's really pretty. This is definitely, you could use it as a base, as a highlight, or as just a plain shadow if you just want to do, you know, a one swipe and go. So this is what the Laura Mercier Rose Gold shadow stick looks like. And then the last product I have is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I do have some other stuff from this company. They're a K-beauty brand. So yeah, definitely interested in this. This is like that Clinique Take the Day Away balm, melts makeup off. Has no scent. My nail just took a nice little gouge out, but yeah, has no scent. And you get, how much do you get in this? Does it say? 12 milliliters or 0.4 fluid ounces. So that's a decent amount of product. So this month's bag, not the greatest, but not the worst. I like the products I got in it. Yeah, no complaints really. So yeah, I pay for the bag. This is not sponsored. If you guys are interested, you can go to Sephora's website and I think sometimes they have a waiting list, but the waiting list isn't longer than a month, and they're pretty good with getting you on the waiting list. And it's only $10 a month for 5 sample products, and you fill a questionnaire out. And I think they're pretty good at sending products that match what you want in your questionnaire. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for watching my unboxing. And I have another unboxing that I'm filming after this because I got a very exciting palette in the mail. So that'll be the next video I'm putting up. And then next week, in the beginning of the week, like Tuesday, Wednesday, I'll have the using all the shadows in one palette up. Something got wrong with the file and it was corrupted when I tried to go and edit it, so I have to reshoot it. And I'm getting over a cold, so I don't have all my energy back. Sorry guys, my septum ring was crooked there for the whole video. But yeah, I'm starting to feel a lot better, so I will shoot that video for you guys again this weekend, and I should have it up by like Tuesday, Wednesday, the latest. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.